and more importantly, share with you our plans for next year and how we intend to grow with you as a business or as an SME or a brand, and also get to know your thoughts on ways that we can improve our service and ways that we can serve you better. So without much, let's get right into the presentation. Like I mentioned, it's more to highlight on what we have done this year, our plans for 2024, and above all, hear from you. And at the end of this, we would have a bonus session where we'll take you through some of our other solutions that we have deployed for our customers and that we have in stock as mNotify. So I'll go right into it. But so 2023 for us has been particularly interesting. We understand the economic situation in Ghana at the moment and the challenges that businesses have in the rest. And mNotify is no exception. That has also impacted us several ways. But one thing I'm very happy about is in all of this, through the ups and downs, our customers have always stayed loyal to us. And I would want to say a big thank you for staying with us all through all of this time. I know there's been times when we had the migration and had a few challenges with our platform, but you stuck with us, and I would want to say a big thank you to you for that. So the biggest change, which I just mentioned, is the rebranding, the BMS revamp, which is to say that we named each of our products. So now we have BMS, which is bulk messaging solutions, and we introduced several exciting features with regards to the BMS, which I would want to hear from you all at the end of this presentation, your thoughts and your suggestions on how we can improve that offering. But with the introduction of BMS means that we also named the other products that we have, which was which had to do with Chatbots Africa and Phone Anchor, which we'll talk about in the next section as well. One of the key things that we released in the upgrade or with the introduction of BMS is international messaging, where now as a customer you are able to send messages outside of Ghana. And to do this, we introduced the wallet feature. So what happens right now with BMS, that's our bulk messaging solution, is that you need to first and foremost fund your wallets to send messages. And anytime you want to send messages outside of Ghana as well, you need to have you need to have money in your wallet to be able to do that. This for us is very exciting because we believe that over the years, we've had customers asking us and making inquiries about how they can send messages to their contacts outside of Ghana. And this now makes it possible for you to send all of that. I'll be curious to know your experience about this service, or if you're here to try it out, or if you have any suggestions on how we can improve this new feature that we have introduced. But currently, you're able to send message to all of the African countries and any country in the world. Now, the process is very simple. You first and foremost need to register the sender ID and the template message that you want to send across. Then we take that up and register it with the telcos in any country that you select in there. We also introduced birthday app on voice. So for a very long time, mNotify had a birthday app which was running only on SMS, which meant that you could upload all of your contacts, and automatically when it's the birthday of whether your church member or your customer, it triggers an SMS alert to them wishing them a happy birthday from any sender ID of your choice. But what we have done now is to add a voice option to that. So what happens now is you can do a recording in your own voice in any language of your choosing, and then on the day of the birthday of any of your audience, it sends them a call, which then wishes them a happy birthday from your voice. This, we believe, is something that customers have also asked for a very long time, and we are happy to say that is a feature that we now have on our BMS portal. We also did a major upgrade on our reseller system. So our reseller system affords our customers the opportunity to resell our services, to take a piece of mNotify's infrastructure and make it their own. So they have their own brand, their own logo, their own customers, and they're able to manage their customers, top up their customers. So it's sort of a way of us giving a piece of ourselves to our customers in order for them to resell and make money of our infrastructure. And I'm happy to say that we upgraded the reseller system. We added similarly a lot of the features that you see on BMS, which is the voice birthday, the international messaging, and a lot of other cool, interesting features, as well as resolving a lot of bugs and making sure that the reseller system is as stable as the main mNotify platform. I'll be curious to hear from any of our resellers who's on the platform on the experience so far and how they believe that they would love for us to upgrade and introduce other new features on that as well. Another exciting thing that we released for me was the referral codes and the promo codes. So we had customers who were not interested in necessarily being a reseller, but they wanted to refer clients to mNotify and get some bonus or get some monetary rewards in exchange. And I'm happy to say that we released our referral code system, which allows you as a customer of mNotify to refer a friend or a colleague to use mNotify. Now, what happens is that once you generate your referral code, which you can do from the settings button, once you generate your referral code, any customer that signs up on our platform and adds your referral code automatically is tied to your account. So when they top up their account, you can either get a percentage of their top up amount as SMS or as cash. So I'll then treat all of us that haven't checked out the referral code to check it out, because we have a lot of customers who are excited about this, who have redeemed both SMS and cash for referrals that they brought to mNotify. And we look forward to having ways to reward more of our customers with referral codes, with referral bonuses, and other innovative methods as well. More importantly, we also released the promo code feature, which allows you to enjoy from different promos that we have as an organizations. Christmas is around the corner. One of the things we'll be doing is to be releasing different promo codes. At the end of this webinar as well, we'll be releasing some promo codes and also giving out some rewards and goodies to our customers who are on the call today. So I'm excited about that. My colleague would handle that segment as well. We also released smart QR codes. So for a very long time, we had a lot of our customers coming to us asking us if we have contacts that they can send blasts to and the likes. And we realized that that is not possible from where we sit, one, because of data protection, and to the fact that we don't want customers to be sending unsolicited messages. So what we did as a company was to come up with an innovative, one of a kind, and only kind of solution that is currently on the Ghanaian market, come up with a smart QR code solution. And what this allows you to do basically is to develop a QR code, but embedded in this QR code is a code that allows you, or is a snippet of a code that allows you to automatically get the phone numbers of anyone that scans that. Now, once they scan this code and they get the phone number, we then trigger an SMS and ask them to opt in to receive messages from your brand. So a typical example, there's a church program, a lot of people attend there, or an event, a road show or a concert. A lot of people attend this event, but while they attend this event, how are you able to gather their contacts and do all of that? So you're able to do that using smart QR code solution from mNotify or a USSD component as well, which comes with this solution to sort of gather their contacts, put them in the marketing database, so that the next time you have an event, you are able to easily invite them. Similarly, you could have a billboard or a TV ad or anything of that sort, or anywhere where you can generally embed a QR code, whether at a restaurant or not. With this solution, you don't only present them with a menu item or any other option. You're able to gather their contacts, let them opt in into your mailing database and send them messages going forward. This, we believe, is a game changer because now you're able to do properly targeted SMS marketing campaigns for your audience. Another thing that we released as well was our chatbot solutions. And I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Chatbots Africa and what we are doing as Chatbots Africa. But what we have been doing as a big brand is to make sure that beyond the e-commerce chatbots that we offer as Chatbots Africa, we offer FAQ chatbots and booking chatbots. So if I am a business who doesn't sell online or sell on social media, what you can do is to use our chatbots for FAQs. So traditionally, the questions that you'd have spent a lot of time answering, which were repetitive. We are able to automate all of this with the power of chatbots from Chatbots Africa, which is under the mNotify brand. Then our call center solutions as well, which allows you to sort of streamline all the calls that you receive from your customers. In the past, we've had a lot of customers enjoying our voice SMS service, and this is sort of to extend the voice SMS service to allow for two-way engagements, where now, beyond you placing the voice SMS out, people can call into a call center and they'll listen to an IVR recording or speak to a live agent and get whatever inquiries or information they need. This is also very exciting for us, and we look to work with you more on some of the solutions. Now, one key thing that we released this year, which I would want to highlight on, was a big referral commission structure. And this was around the three main offerings that I've spoken about, which was the BMS, Chatbots Africa, and the call center, which is Phone Anchor. And what we're doing was that for every referral that you brought to us as a business, we gave you 40% commission on that. And there were different packages. So this was a package for customer engagements. We had to do with bulk SMS, voice SMS, chatbots, and call center or the phone Anchor. And this is still actually running, and we'll share the details with our customers for anyone that wants to still benefit from that. We had several individuals benefiting from this major promo that we ran, this major campaign that we ran, that we decided to let it run for a longer period of time. So that for us has been the exciting things that we've been working on for 2023. But we believe that 2024 has a lot more to offer. We've studied different industry trends and seen areas of growth or areas of interest that would want to pursue as a company. And first and foremost, the most important thing for us is to form more partnerships with our customers. So we believe strongly in the customers that we have. We believe in what they are doing, and we're always excited to see them solving real life problems with the solutions that we offer. And in 2024, we want to do more of this. So we want to form more partnerships with our customers. And by forming partnerships with them, we are looking at ways that, for example, for SMEs that use our platform, how can we help them sell more? How can we help them engage more? For NGOs that use our platform, how can we help them to create more impact? How can we help them to deliver their current offering to a wider audience? For other customer segments, how do we help them to amplify their message more? These are the kind of partnerships that we want to form with our customers in 2024. And as the year goes on, my colleagues would be reaching out to some of you to conduct surveys. We'll be reaching out to some of you to ask for information about your brand so that we can post you on our social media channels, and also even learn more about your offering so that we can help you cross-sell. And on this note, I'd also want to announce that we have the mNotify community and the SME tribe and other communities within the bigger mNotify community, which I'll entreat all of us to join if we haven't, because by joining, we are able to not only learn interesting things that we are doing as a company, but also get the chance to interact with other mNotify clients, and would also be giving the opportunity to sort of cross-sell your offerings to among the community or to other mNotify clients as well. The other thing that we are also looking at doing is around AI. We, as a company, we believe that the future is artificial intelligence and the future is AI. So what we are looking at doing is to integrate AI in different aspects of the offering that we currently give as mNotify. So a typical example would be if I am a brand and I send holiday messages every time to my customers, how do I use AI to sort of generate this content ahead of time and schedule it ahead of time? So typically, if this solution is ready before end of 2024, you can easily use this solution to schedule all of your holiday messages for 2025, even from January 2025. So that way you can spend time doing the heavy lifting while we take care of the mundane tasks that can be automated with AI. We are very excited about this because we believe that AI is currently at the verge of doing big things for businesses and big brands, and we would want to make sure that we carry our customers along on this journey. So for that reason, we are looking at integrating AI into a lot of the things that we do as mNotify, as Chatbots Africa, and Phone Anchor. There are exciting other things like sentiment analysis, like content creation, like language translation, where now as a voice SMS user on mNotify, you wouldn't have to always do a recording before you send the blast out. You can easily type it out and we translate that text into voice. And best of it, we add your voice to that. So now the audio is translated, the text is translated to audio and it's in your voice, and you're able to send that out to your customers. These are some of the exciting things we are looking at exploring with AI, and we'll be running a lot of surveys to see how important this is to you, because as a customer-centric company, we don't want to do this on our own, but I want to do it together with you, our customer. So we are very excited about this, and we'll be reaching out to you to learn more about that. Another interesting thing that I would want to do as well is to segregate the types of routes or types of traffic that we have as a company. So people use our platform mainly for three different purposes: to send OTP messages, to send transactional messages, and to send promotional messages. And in the time past, we've realized that when people send OTP messages, for example, it gets that's one-time passwords. It gets mixed up with the promotional messages, in the sense that someone sends a huge amount of promotional message and causes a delay because of it causes a delay in OTP as a result. So what we are doing is to improve our system in several ways, 50% of which we've already done actually. So I'm sure you've all noticed that there's a lot of improvement in delivery. But what we are doing is now to create several route options where before you send a message on our platform, you're able to give it a priority. And you're also able to then profile that kind of message. So if it's a promotional message, or it's an OTP message, or a transactional message, you're able to profile that. And in a sense, our system, it intelligently places more emphasis or more priority on your message, and you're able to get your messages given higher priority over other messages. So this is something that we're also exploring and we are going to do in 2024. And as usual, I'll reach out to you to get your thoughts and feedback on that, as well as introducing voice OTP, which then allows you now not to only send SMS OTP, but send voice OTP and other forms of OTP as well. Then one key thing we are looking at doing, which isn't stated on the slide, is being able to allow you to do multimedia messaging. So being able to do multimedia messaging. So now, for a very long time, we've seen a lot of customers asking us that they want to send images, they want to send videos, PDFs, and the like. So what we are doing is also to next year introduce multimedia messaging. Now, this would be in two folds. It would be one, multimedia messaging via SMS. Now, currently in Ghana, you can't send images, but what we are doing is to create a way where you're able to embed images in a link, where people click the link, then now they get the images. So one way we are looking at doing a multimedia messaging is through images, is through SMS. The other form of multimedia messaging we are looking at is through WhatsApp broadcast, which has also been a request that our customers have always asked us about. So we are looking at you being able to then now send videos, send images, and send multimedia content to your audience who are on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or any social media channel. This, we believe, would be a game changer for not only the Ghanaian industry, the Ghanaian market, but the West African market, because then you are able to then now send messages even beyond Ghana and send images and the likes beyond Ghana while relying on the Meta framework. So in a nutshell, these are the exciting things that we are looking at doing in 2024, the exciting ideas we are looking at playing around with, and some of the things that we are looking at doing as a company. This is a good time for me to hear from you, our audience, on what you think on some of these things. Get your feedback on our activities for 2023 and any challenges that you've had on the platform. So at this juncture, I'll hand over to my colleague, Bezra. Thank you very much.